We are starting a second part after preparing a revaluation account. The second part of this video is partners capital account. While we are preparing a partners capital account, first of all, by balance brought down the capital balances at the balance sheet given 50,000, 39,000. 50,000, 39,000 and 30,000. These are the capital balances given in the question, 50, 39 and 30,000. At the asset side, goodwill is given. So this goodwill is distributed between the old partners in old ratio. So this goodwill is to goodwill. So this is distributed between old partners in old ratio 1, 3, 3, 3, 1,000, 6, 6, 7. This goodwill is distributed in the old partners in old ratio. So the N share is 3,000 into 4 by 9. Next 3,000 into 3 by 9. 3,000 into 2 by 9. This is a distribution. When goodwill is shown at the asset side, always it can be written off by old partner in old ratio. So this is a distribution. After that, we are transferring the loss of the revaluation at the credit side to the debit side in the partner's capital account. So to revaluation loss, and the loss of the revaluation is 800, 600 and 400. This loss is distributed. So in this, the loss is also distributed in the balance sheet. No other item is given to distribute in the partner's capital account. But in fifth point, in this question, the fifth point is motor car is values at 15,500. Retiring partner took over the motor car. So the retiring partner take the motor car itself. So this motor car is shown in the partner's capital account at the retiring partner with the value of 15,500. So 15,500 to motor car. And in the next point, Deepak be paid 2,000 in cash and the balance to transfer to the loan account. It means the retiring partner get the 2,000 in cash. So to cash, retiring partner also get 2,000 in cash and the balance is to D's loan account, while the balance is distributed as a D's loan account there. So the one important working note is there, the distribution of the goodwill at the time of retirement. So we are solving the working note for the point first. So first of all, D's D share of goodwill is equal to 2 by 9 into given value in the firm's goodwill 21,000. So this is the distribution of the goodwill at the time of the retirement. So 20,000 into 2 by 9 is equal to 4667. This 4667 is distributed in the gaining ratio. Before that, the ratio is 4:3:2, 4:3:2. This partner is retired, so this is new as well as the gaining. So this goodwill is distributed between 4 by 7 and 3 by 7. So 3 by 7 of this is 2,000 and this is 2,667. This is the distribution of the goodwill at the time of the retirement of a partner. So the journal entry of this is This is N's capital, this is N's capital, and this is D share of goodwill. So the journal entry passed at the time of the retirement is N's capital account debited, N's capital account debited to D's capital account. So in this, M's capital account debited and capital account debited to D's capital account. So D share of goodwill is 4667. This is debited in the partner's capital account 2667 and 2000. So this is transferred to the partner's capital account. Two side is transferred to the 2. So to D's capital. To D's capital, so the goodwill is transferred in A's capital to 6, 6, 7 and there 2000. So this is written at the credit side by N's capital account, by N's capital account, by N's capital account, by N's capital account, and this is shown in the D's capital account 2, 6, 6, 7 and 2000. This total distribution of all the items in the partner's capital account are there. So after that we are balancing it, and D's balance is transferred to the D's loan account, and after that the other partners have the balance carried down. So we are balancing it, and the balance at this side is 3, 4, 6, 6, 7. 3, 4, 6, 6, 7 is the balance, and all these items are subtracted from 3, 4, 6, 6, 7. So the balance is 16,100. So 16,100 is the amount which is transferred to the D's loan account, and the balance of other two accounts is 39,000 and with the 39,000 to 3,600 is subtracted. 39,000 subtracted by 3,600, the balance is 35,400. 35,400. After that, the balance of this is 50,000. This also be there 50,000, and the balance of 2, 3, 4,800. While subtracting the 4,800, the balance is 40. The balance of this is 45,200. 45,200 is the balance of this. So this is a second part of the question 33, in which we are preparing a partner's capital account.